Humanity has always gazed at the sky, searching for a second home. Today, we stand at a crossroads, betting our future on two worlds. One is our familiar neighbor, bathed in sunlight, a place that feels close, yet remains elusive. The other is shrouded in darkness, a colossal chemical laboratory locked at minus 179 degrees Celsius, a world that challenges everything we know and everything we are. This is not a race. This is a split in destiny. It is a battle for survival and for knowledge. In this exploration, we will compare the two grandest targets of humankind: Mars, the red planet, and Titan, Saturn's mysterious moon. We'll dive into the strategies for conquering these worlds, the dramatic differences in energy and travel time, 6 months to Mars, 7 years to Titan. We'll examine the potential for life, water-based on Mars versus the exotic hydrocarbon-based possibilities on Titan. We'll confront the technological barriers, radiation and pressure on Mars, extreme cold and autonomy on Titan, and finally, we'll consider their true destinies: Mars as the Earth's escape route, Titan as our gateway out of the solar system, powered by its endless fuel reserves. Let's begin with Mars, our near and attainable goal. For all its challenges, Mars remains within reach. A journey of 6 to 9 months places us on its surface, a region close enough for hope, yet far enough for peril. Its gravity, at 0.38 g, is gentle, enough to keep our bodies from falling apart, enough for us to dream of building a human outpost. Imagine an astronaut struggling with a habitat on the Martian surface. Sunlight bright yet harsh, spaces claustrophobic and tense. This is where the first human footsteps beyond Earth may truly settle. But Mars is not a place for the faint of heart. Its lack of a magnetic field transforms the surface into a microwave oven for cosmic radiation. To survive, we must bury our shelters deep beneath the red dust, using regolith as a shield against the relentless bombardment from space. Every resource is hard-won. Water must be sliced from ice hidden underground, using energy-intensive electrolysis. The thin CO2 atmosphere cannot be simply breathed or burned. It must be forced through complex chemical reactions, like the Sabatier process, to coax out the fuel we need for return journeys and daily survival. Nothing comes easily on Mars. Everything must be synthesized, built from scratch, wrestled from an alien world. Life, if it exists, is a haunting mystery, perhaps buried deep beneath the surface, waiting in frozen silence for release. To live on Mars will mean enduring hardship, sealed inside metal boxes, fighting radiation every day. The Martian outpost is no paradise. It's a trial, a crucible. Yet, in its danger, Mars offers the promise of a second home, hard-won and costly, but ours if we dare. Now, let us turn outward, to the solar system's edge, and to Titan. Reaching Titan is a journey measured not in months, but in years, 7 years of patience, and triple the energy expenditure of a Mars mission. Yet what waits at the end of this voyage is nothing short of alien. Titan is a world of wonders. Its surface chills at minus 179 degrees Celsius. Water here is rock, frozen solid. But life, if it exists, would be unlike anything on Earth, an exotic chemistry that uses methane and ethane as solvents, not water. Titan is a laboratory for life, as we do not know it, a place to redefine our understanding of biology itself. Technologically, Titan is remarkable. Its atmosphere is thick, 1.5 times the pressure of Earth's, offering natural protection from cosmic rays. Here, vacuum is not the enemy. Structural engineering is eased. Radiation is less of a threat. The challenge is cold, biting, relentless cold that turns water into stone and methane into rain. But Titan presents an extraordinary advantage. Its resources are ready-made. Where Mars demands, we manufacture fuel from scratch. Titan offers vast lakes of methane and ethane, reservoirs of energy waiting to be tapped. Just pump, chill, and you have rocket propellant. Titan is the solar system's refueling station, a logistics hub for journeys deeper into space. The atmosphere itself is rich in nitrogen, the primary component of breathable air. This is a world where airships can float in the dense orange haze. where submarines can plunge into hydrocarbon seas. Our conquest of Titan will not be by rover crawling across rock and dust, but by air and by water, by giant balloons drifting above the surface, and submersibles gliding through alien lakes. The technical challenges are immense, but the opportunities are even greater. Titan invites us to rethink exploration, to master new modes of travel, and to unlock resources on a planetary scale. So, Mars or Titan? The answer is not one or the other. It is both. Mars is our strategy for survival, our training ground for becoming a multi-planet species. Its proximity forces us to innovate, to adapt, to learn resilience in the face of adversity. Titan, by contrast, is our strategy for discovery and logistics. Its unique chemistry and inexhaustible fuel reserves make it a scientific treasure and a launchpad for further exploration. Titan is the gateway, a place where science, technology, and ambition intersect, opening paths deeper into the cosmos. To truly conquer the solar system, we need both. We need the grit and endurance of Mars settlers, forging a new home against all odds. We also need the boldness and intellect to unravel the mysteries beneath Titan's methane clouds, to master its resources and its scientific potential. The future is calling, and it demands courage, vision, and readiness for both frontiers. As we stand on the brink of interplanetary civilization, let us prepare for both Mars and Titan. In one, we will learn to survive. In the other, we will learn to thrive. Together, these worlds will shape our destiny among the stars.